What's up, guys? Hey, welcome back. I know that you're thinking, wow, 2 videos that quick? Are these guys really trying to be YouTubers now again and post videos and content that people like? I don't know, maybe you like it, maybe you don't. If you don't, you can turn the video off. If you do like it, then just keep watching and liking and sharing. Anyway, so yep, I am wearing the same clothes because it is the same day and I'm making 2 videos in one day because I'm efficient like that, right? So today, one of the mods that I was talking about yesterday, if you're watching this video and then the video that was just out, anyway, we ordered a cold air intake for this car. Now, I know this is a 4-cylinder turbo. It doesn't make the most power in the world, but for a 4-cylinder turbo, it does make 240 horsepower from the factory. So we ordered an INJEN brand cold air intake for it. Yeah, it might improve the power a little bit. It may improve the fuel mileage. That's all great and cool. But what's really cool about it is we're gonna get that really cool, like, blow-off valve whoosh kind of sound with the turbo. Kind of like that.
Except for it sounds real.
Except it sounds real. It is real. Not Israel, but is, you know what I mean. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do today. It doesn't look too hard. I've seen some other guys do it on video. I'm pretty handy. But anyway, stick around, guys. We're gonna knock that out. All right, guys, so now we have the hood popped, and basically this is gonna be all the factory stuff, right? So we're gonna have to get some tools. We're gonna take this off, and then it connects down here, and there's actually a cover that goes over it to help keep some of the engine heat off the filter. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. Wait a minute.
Hey, what's up?
It's like Christmas. What do you got?
Package for you. Here.
Package, special delivery, UPS, drop that off. All right, so now, also, shout out to Summit Racing for coming through with this. Not coming through like they hooked me up with it. Like, no, I'm just like a rando dude that just orders stuff. But they did price match another website and beat it by like $1, which is cool, but I'm definitely excited that they got it here and I didn't have to order it from some website that I'd never heard of before. And they might be reputable, I don't know, but I've definitely heard of Summit Racing. So good looking out, guys. Also free shipping. Okay, so I'm not gonna watch the video. Maybe I should, of how to do this. But I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the stuff out. And I'm not gonna talk during all that, so what I'm probably gonna do is we'll just do like a little like time lapse type sped up looking thing. All right, so I figured we'll go ahead and do an unboxing video, right? So this is the INJEN SP1122WB, and the WB is wrinkle black. So you can get the chrome tube or the wrinkle black. Obviously, wrinkle black is going to match better under the hood, unless you like that bling bling. This is what you want to go with. So looks like we got some instructions and a coupling on there. I don't know, maybe a sticker or something. Packed pretty good. This is some information about the dry filter. And okay, here is the tube, and this is the one that has the hole for the mass airflow sensor. Got to be careful with that when you do unhook it. You don't want to damage that. Let's see, here's another piece that's hard to do with one hand. Hang on. I know you can see. Oh man. All right, there's our filter. And something else in here. right, another tube. All right, good stuff. Let's see. We set all that nice stuff on there, and then we've got the big metal. This must be the shroud that it all sits and screws into. Man, that is heavy duty stuff, man. Let's get a look at that here. So we got that, our tubes. I think there should be one more piece in here. Yeah. Just the lid that goes on the top there covers this area right here up. Man, you know, and I will tell you that in all the videos and the pictures I've seen and everything, it looks like this is plastic, but it is not plastic at all. It is metal, so it's actually nice. I appreciate the build quality of this. Looks really nice. Isn't that a bug? Huh, that's weird, but anyway. All right, so we'll set this guy over here. We got that piece, get that piece. And I don't think, nope, that's it. That's all she wrote. So, get rid of the trash there. Got some fittings, coupling, and a filter. Intake tube for the mass airflow sensor, base everything attached to, and then the lid. And that's all gonna go right there. I'm pretty sure all this stuff's gotta go out too. Anyway, we'll check back in here in just a second, let you know how it's going. So I got the two little plastic deals that hold this in. This is all secure. Mass airflow sensor is back on. Big Jake pulled a little clear protector cover off of that. Got this little set screw that holds this down nice and clean. There's also a vacuum line that goes into this. I'm gonna have to find that in a second. I'll reuse all the mounts here. There is a, it's hard to see in there, but there's a hose clamp where these two couple together, and it sucked getting to it, but I got it. We use this, it's secured on the factory little grommet. Before we put the lid on, which is there, we'll do a startup, and we'll make sure we don't have any lights coming on or anything like that, but I'm gonna look for that vacuum line, so stand by and we'll do it. We achieved the result. I don't know if it's making more power, but does it sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You remember the example that I gave? It's exactly what it sounds like.
Pretty close.
Yeah.
Would ya? Yeah. So, as you can see, guys, install before we put the lid on, of course. So everything came out nice and neat. The kit is super high quality, very nicely made. And this, again, this is on an F30. It's a 2013, but I believe this kit works for the 4 Series and a handful of the other body styles as well. N20 motor, 4-cylinder turbo. So yeah, pretty happy with the outcome of it. I'll take another little quick video once we get the cover on, and you can kind of see what the finished product looks like. And then yeah, pretty excited about this one. And there we have it, finished product, looking mighty nice. One problem, and yeah, no, we're missing one of these. So the good news is they shipped it. The bad news is it's I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna find it either in the driveway or at a hardware store and put another one in, so no worries here. All right, guys, well, it's another episode. Yeah, another episode. OKC Car Guys. Hey, if you like what we're doing, you want to see some more, keep watching, subscribe. Thanks again. See you guys.